Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We will discuss about Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin, unlike the Amazon river basin, comprise fertile agriculture. Fertile agriculture land. Ganga Brahmaputra basin has fertile agriculture land and is home to one of the densest population of the world. Densest population of the world. Okay, it stretches from west to east, covering almost the entire northern plain of India. What cover? Northern plains of India. The basin is drained by the Ganga river and its tributaries. By Ganga river and its tributaries like Yamuna, Gomti, Kosi, Son and various others. The Brahmaputra flows through the far eastern part of the northern plains in Assam before entering Bangladesh. Then it enters in Bangladesh. Most of the population is engaged in agriculture due to availability of enough water from the perennial river, which are fed by melting snow of Himalayas. Okay. These rivers also deposit fertile alluvial soil on the river banks. This soil is ideal for what? For crop plantation. Okay. Irrigation facilities have made agriculture activities more widespread in this basin. The tropical monsoon climate is well suited for growing a variety of food crops in this basin, such as some food crops, rice, like rice, maize, pulses, oil seeds, etc. Okay. Some other cash crops which are grown here are sugarcane, cotton, jute and tea. More than 70% of the people living here are engaged in agriculture. 70% people are engaged in agriculture. Okay. Intensive subsistence means agriculture is practiced in small farm in order to meet the food requirements of the dense population. Most of the farmers are poor with small land holding. Since irrigation is largely dependent on the monsoon, most small land farmers suffer great loss due to the uncertain nature. This region has developed several agro-based industries such as textile industry, okay, jute industry, then food processing industry, okay. Industrialization and urbanization in some parts of this basin has opened ways to a whole range of economic activities for the people and helped in the development of the communities. Introduction of modern agriculture method. Modern agriculture method. Okay, modern agriculture method such as use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, intensive irrigation, use of high yielding variety crops. Led to soil degradation due to chemical fertilizer and pesticides, intensive irrigation, high yielding variety crops has led to soil degradation. Okay. Many parts of the agricultural land are being converted into industrial region due to the ever increasing population spread of urbanization. More and more agricultural land is being occupied by other uses. This was what about Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.